Happy day 66 of 75 hard. I'm wearing Buff Bunny aggressive scrunch shorts. Made it to the airport. I am on my way to the grocery store. So I have like a pretty good workout schedule. Happy day 66 of 75 hard. I'm just getting there. Today's the day that I am going to Tampa. I'm up for my normal burn workout, but I mean, today is gonna be tough because drinking a gallon of water while traveling, figuring out a 45-minute outdoor workout later. It's gonna be difficult, but I believe. Last night I didn't do my outdoor walk until nighttime after dinner because I was kind of thrown off. My husband was home when I got home, and normally I bring my dog out for the walk, but she was out with him in the backyard. So then I started doing stuff, and then he went for a run and I was on the couch editing videos and I was getting sleepy, so I took a nap, which really was not the move because I needed to pack and I was hoping to like clean up some stuff, and I should have gone for my walk instead of taking a nap. But after dinner we went for the walk and it was really fun. Our neighbor came out with his son randomly at the same time, and we ended up like doing part of the walk together. We like walked all the way around the block together. So that was cute. So yeah, I'm getting ready for burn. I'm flying out to Tampa today. I'm excited and nervous, of course. I need to finish packing when I come back from burn. Just like, you know, like the last minute things, like your chargers and stuff. Like I cannot forget my chargers for all my devices, stuff like that. So yeah, that is the plan. Let's do this. And it is Orange Day for the Rainbow Week. So I'm wearing Buff Bunny aggressive scrunch shorts. I thought it's kind of cute with the brown and the orange, because it's like a creamy orange, if you will. Baby's sleeping. I got fresh wiper blades. Look how nice that is. I always get the Bosch Icon wiper blades because they're so easy to put on and off. It's literally like a button to take it off and then it clicks in place and it's ready to go. My recommendation is do not skimp on wiper blades, because if you get good ones, then you don't have to have a huge hassle when you're trying to put them on.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right.
Duckies. Made it to the airport. There's apparently a Chase Sapphire lounge here. I can't figure out if I have access or not. I keep going in circles through the webpage and the app, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. So the lounge is for reserved members, and yet the annual fee is $550 for that, so that is not the one that I have. I got a bagel, it looks pretty standard. Made it! I am in Tampa. I am in my hotel room. It is 6:30. I thought I was getting in at like 2:30. My flight was delayed. I don't even know if I told you. The flight got delayed, and so we finally got here, and then there was like a bus that took us all, and we sat there waiting for other people to come because there was like different flights getting in from different places, and they waited till the bus filled up. Honestly, I might have just Ubered, like if I knew we were gonna sit there all that time, but whatever, it was fine. It was free, and I'm trying to not spend a lot of money here. And then my bag came right off right away. So I raced to the front desk. So I'm here. I have a random roommate. She's not here right now, but I'm sure I'll meet her later. But I'm gonna put shorts on and go for a walk. I'm so excited. I also need to drink a bunch of water because I'm probably behind. All right, outfit. I have changed out of my jeans. I am wearing this little dress because it's breezy. I've got shorts. I've got sneakers because I didn't really think this through, but it's all good. I feel great. Got sunglasses. Let's go. I am on my way to the grocery store. Oh, there's a cute park here. I forgot about that. This is a big arena. Okeechobee Fort Brooke Park. Apparently there is a Wu-Tang Clan show tonight at this arena. And I am smelling that there is a Wu-Tang Clan show here tonight. I signed up for OrangeTheory on Monday. I'm so excited now. So I have like a pretty good workout schedule. I have tomorrow I'm doing berries. There's a mini lock. There's a mini lock. Tomorrow I have berries for my birthday. And then I have buns and something another day. I kind of forget what I booked, but Saturday, Sunday, I don't think there's any that are early enough, so I'll just use the hotel gym those days. And then I have this on Monday. This sounds cute. Gotta remember that. Cover. I can't tell if it's gonna storm out. It seemed like it, and then it didn't seem like it, and then it seemed like it again. I have to go register. Just met my roommate. She had CNN on. I don't know how I feel about that. I cannot have that on. I do not put TVs on. I do not put news on. There's this whole outdoor bar here. Very cool. And then here is the convention center. They didn't have my name badge. Now I'm trying to go to dinner, but it could be too late. Hopefully not. Well, I've definitely done my 10,000 steps today. This Riverwalk is so cool. I love it. I should be going to bed soon, but it's a full moon tonight/tomorrow night. And my roommate was all like trying to look for it, and I was curious too, because I'm a full moon kind of gal as well. And I wanted to ask the desk if they think I'll be able to get a ride at 4 in the morning.
Want to sit over here? Yeah. She looked good.
I know, but like, you've never done it for fun?
Oh.
There's the moon. It's very cloudy.